How to log into Virgin Australia account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Virgin Australia and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, virginaustralia.com. Go ahead and open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once we're in the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Go ahead and click on it. With that, login section will appear. Now go ahead and fill this, provide your credentials, type in your Velocity number, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your Velocity number, click on the option of Can't Find Membership Number and go through the process to recover it. Likewise, in the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of Forget Your Password to recover it. After you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your Virgin Australia account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.